How to use File Explorer File Details cards on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to view and use the Details panel for files directly within File Explorer. First, open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. From there, click on the View tab at the top of File Explorer. At this point, click on Show from the drop-down options. From there, click on Details pane to enable the File Details panel on the right side of File Explorer. After that, click on any file in your folder to select it. In the next step, the Details pane on the right side will now display information about that selected file, such as its name, file type, size, date modified, and other relevant metadata. From there, click on different files to see how the details update automatically based on whichever file is currently selected. Once done, if you select an image file, the Details pane will show additional information, such as dimensions, resolution, and camera details if available. Following this, for video files, it will display information such as duration, frame width, and frame height. From here, some file details within the pane can also be edited directly. Click on a field such as title or tags and type in new information to update the file's metadata without opening the file itself. At this stage, once you have made edits to the metadata, click on Save at the bottom of the Details pane to apply the changes. After this, if you want to hide the Details pane again, go back to View, then Show, and click on Details pane to toggle it off. Keep in mind, the Details pane shows different information depending on the file type selected, so the amount of detail you see will vary between documents, images, videos, and other file formats. Finally, go back to File Explorer and confirm the Details pane is displaying the correct information for your selected files. And that's it. If this guide helped you use File Explorer File Details cards on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.